Right now, Kaspa is trading around 7.9 cents, showing some impressive stability after getting crushed in May when it dropped from 16 cents. That's more than a 50% correction. But what we're seeing now is a potential shift from panic selling into structured accumulation. For the past few weeks, KS has been moving sideways, and honestly, that's actually a good thing. Price has been building a short-term base above its recent bottom near 6.5 cents. Every time sellers tried to drag it lower, buyers stepped in, especially between 7.4 cents and 7.5 cents, a key support zone that's now acting like a floor. Now comes the tricky part. Kaspa is butting heads with a stubborn resistance around 8 to 8.2 cents. This zone has been a barrier in the past, and bulls have yet to conquer it. Until KS closes decisively above this level, it remains in the danger zone of sideways chop. If it does break above 8.2 cents on strong volume, we could be looking at a fast move toward 8.8 to 9 cents. And from there, the big test awaits, the 200-day moving average at 9.4 cents. Hey, if you're getting value so far, go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps this video reach more Kaspa holders and crypto traders who need this analysis. The 200-day moving average, the final boss. So, zooming out, we see Kaspa is still trading under its 200-day moving average, which honestly has been trending downward for months now. The last time KS traded above this line was way back in March. Until we get a clean break and a daily close above 9.4 cents, most traders are going to remain pretty cautious. This 200-day moving average is more than just a technical level, it's psychological resistance. Reclaim it, and you bring back confidence. But stay below it, and well, you're still fighting upstream. Momentum and RSI. Now let's talk momentum for a minute. The 4-hour Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is currently sitting at 63, which definitely leans bullish. It's not overbought yet, so there's still room for a run. And here's the kicker. There's no bearish divergence right now, which suggests the current bounce is actually healthier than the one we saw back in late May. So momentum is picking up, structure is holding, and resistance is being tested. That's the type of setup where traders, really start to lean in. So, what would actually make this breakout legit? Well, you want to look for a 4-hour or daily candle close above 8.2 cents, with a noticeable spike in volume. Without that volume, honestly, any breakout attempt is just noise. Until we see that, we're basically stuck in short-term consolidation. But if the breakout is clean, you can expect a test of the 9 to 9.4 cent zone next. On the flip side, if the price fails to break out and drops below 7.5 cents, we could see another slide toward the demand zone around 6.5 to 6.7 cents, which is where the last major bounce happened. So here's a quick summary of the short-term Kaspa forecast. Above 8 cents, there's breakout potential toward 9 cents and above. If it drops below 7.5 cents, there's a risk of a retest down at 6.5 cents. And if Kaspa gets above 9.4 cents, which is the 200-day moving average, that's honestly a game changer. So, what's the verdict? Kaspa isn't in full breakout mode just yet, but it's holding strong. Buyers are active, and structure is tilting in their favor. This is a classic accumulation phase, and for patient traders, these are often where the best setups are born. So the next few days could be really critical. Make sure you keep your eyes on $0.082 and that 200-day moving average at 0.094. If volume comes in and we get that close, we could finally see KS back on the move toward 10 cents. Thanks for sticking with me all the way. If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a favor. Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to TJ Crypto World. We've got more deep dive videos on XRP, Bridge 2, XRPL, and other hidden gems you really don't want to miss. Don't stop here. Check out this next video on XRP's price prediction if it powers Swift. Until next time, stay sharp, stay disciplined, and as always, keep stacking those smart plays. Peace.